Wells Fargo down? Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So this is the question right now. I know that many of you have problems with this right now. So if you try to go to Google, to your favorite browser, and then if you type in Wells Fargo down, and then if you go to the first site to down detector, we can now check their current status. So if you scroll down, you'll see that in this moment there are over 9,000 reports. Most problems are reported to the online banking and to mobile banking. And then if you scroll down, you'll see some comments from people that they also have this problem. So you can go and read all of this, and you will see that you are not the only one who has this problem. So you don't have to worry. You can't do nothing right now, but you just have to wait until they fix this problem. If this video was useful for you, you can like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have some questions or thoughts, you can comment in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.